Hello and welcome back to this second tutorial. So here we are going to install the operating system, and so in order to do that we will begin by powering on the server by clicking the start option. Wait for that to load. Okay, so now we have to insert the ISO disk, and we do that by clicking on the folder icon. And then we go where we have downloaded the ISO disk and we click on it. Now we press start. Okay, and it is now loading the disk, and so we just wait a while for that to happen. I think I'll just pause the video here until it finishes loads. Okay, and the disk has loaded. Okay, so now we're going to begin the installation of Server 2008, and I'll just leave the default language here. Click next. Then I will click install now. Still wait a while again. I think okay. I don't have the product key for activation, so I'll just click no. So then I just pause the video again and wait for this to load. Okay, so here we have to select a Windows version. So let's explain a little bit of what each one does. So here we have the data center, which is usually used by large enterprise markets, and they usually cost a lot of money. Next we have the server core, which uses command line. So there's no GUI, so you have to physically type in all the commands. So I'm going to choose enterprise, and I click next. Then I will agree, click next, and then I will choose custom. And this is the how much allocated space I have here. So I'll choose this, click next. And now we're just going to install the Windows. And so I think I'll pause here again because this might take a while. So I'll be back when it finishes. Okay, so for the final step, all you have to do is just enter a password. So I'll click OK. And you want to choose a password that's easy to remember. So I'll just choose password 1 with the $sign. And then type that in again. And I click the arrow. Wait for that to load. And click OK. And I'll just prepare the desktop. So then I just pause here and wait until it loads again. Okay, as you can see, it has loaded, and this is the final part of installation. So thanks for watching.